have that though. Sorry about that. Okay, that's yours. Here's the white for Mama. What?
The pants that I just did. That's the pants. I was wearing.
Can you use a pair of your socks or something to wipe your nose?
I did it. I did the socks.
You have to have a pickle. Nothing's getting wet already. And I need Mommy and Daddy to new one, okay? This is small.
Is that very exciting?
At Mommy and Daddy. You need here.
Close it.
Not yet, Mommy's still got more.
The dirty stuff.
Of course it's dirty. That's why we wash them.
Some of it smells like horsey.
Yeah, it does.
You know why?
Yeah.
Because we were playing with the horsies. Can you put a little bit? Yeah, perfect. Close it. Remember where to put your fingers. Hey, be gentle.
No.
Open that door. One more.
Oh.
Cold water. Here.
It's going to get shrunk to cold water.
Hot water shrinks. Cold water does not.
Is that cold water?
Can you do it one piece at a time?
I can't help.
No, too late. Just push it all in.
Wet.
Well, that's why you're putting it in water, so it'll get wet. I like to keep it even. Some on this side, some on this side, some on this side, and some on that side. Good job. You ready to close it?
Yeah.
Okay, put your fingers right here and hold under it. Very gently, very nice.
I got on the jump.
It's probably not a good idea to jump right now.
Why?
Because you don't feel good.
I do.
Okay, jump.
Not here on the step, just on the top.
Oh, wow. Can you turn the light off, please?
Okay. Book. And the door.
No, you can leave it open.
Why?
You want to go play drums? After hugging the fan?
Yeah.
It's cold. Run.
Go show Mommy your new tambourine that you're borrowing from Ellen and Matt.
Ta-da! Mommy, look.
Oh, wow. You got a new one.
That's on Ellen and Matt.
Oh, yeah?
Those tiny symbols.
I like the color.
And it looks like it's the same.
Yeah, but they're different color, right? Which one you like?
That one.
That one, of course. Is that your drum set now? Is that yours, Elizabeth? Oh, wow.
Tiny teeny.
Huh?
It's tiny teeny.
It's tiny teeny for
How did
yourself.
you do that?
Really?
Those are for the poor children in Decovia.
What?
I'm gonna bring that this
No,
way.
I want them. They're is.
Why are you gripping your thing? Come here. You need to go potty?
No.
You need the door.
And poop.
No, I can't poop already yet. Sweet, those are your toys. But it's too small for you now.
But it's not. It's big enough.